South Korean electronics giant Samsung has said that rising memory chip prices are a global problem. The company stated that the shortage is affecting the entire industry. It explained that demand from AI data centers has increased sharply. This has pushed up prices of memory chips like DRAM, HBM, and NAND. Samsung Southwest Asia President and CEO JP Park said the company is closely watching market conditions. He mentioned that supply has been hit because a large share of production is going towards AI requirements. He indicated that the shortage could continue till 2027. He, however, expressed confidence in Samsung's position. He said the company has strong strategic partnerships. He also added that Samsung expects to remain relatively stable on the supply side. The company shared that it is taking steps to ensure adequate supply for India. It described India as a key market, contributing around 10% to its global revenue. Samsung also said it will prioritize supply for smartphones and televisions in India. It noted that product strategy will be adjusted based on demand and availability. Recently, Samsung launched its flagship Galaxy S26 series. The company said the new phone focuses strongly on AI features. It added that the device will be manufactured at its Noida plant. The Bengaluru R&D Center has also played a major role in developing the new series. The company maintained that it remains committed to innovation while managing global semiconductor challenges.